Yeah, and this
That's
is
crazy, babe.
okay. Okay, open. Open. This is from Delirium CCG. Remember the guy? The East Coast?
Really?
The same here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It has a box for the box.
That's
Okay.
nice.
Okay.
What's
Like
it
this.
called?
Is it 有点大?
Cons of Taka. There's a booster box, 36 pack inside.
Can you pause this? Pause. Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
I just thought it's gonna be like $400. But it's okay. Because I believe booster box.
Oh, you're gonna open this one? Why don't you open that one? Oh, because this one's a booster. Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh wow, it's
Whoa.
nice. Nice. Oh shit. So put it in the back, put it all in the back. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Hashtag.
Okay.
Hashtag here. Okay, so we have closer. Yeah, perfect. Okay. And then. Oh, where? Okay, this is good. Continue. Yeah. Okay. So the where goes here, uncommon goes here. And then the rest of the comment goes in this tab. We got this. I don't know. Uncommon is white. And then where? Oh, that's a good. Oh, foil. Dude. Okay. At the beginning, I feel cute. Oh, this is nice. Next. This is lovely, guys.
What's that also?
This is white water of the roots.
Wait, sorry.
So, yeah. And then from there, yeah. We'll comment, uncomment, uncomment, and where? Bam! Goes the blade.
How are we doing?
Good. Oh. What is this?
You're mixing up all the cards.
Okay. Yeah. Uncommon. Is that white? Is it getting white? Okay. Look at the icon. This is yes, uncommon here. Uncommon. Uncommon. And then the where. Oh, foil land, but that's not it. Dragon style double strike. Don't know what this is. Foil land. This is
Sorry.
No, this is uncommon. Uncommon. Where? Yes, and then where it goes right here.
About this one. 这不像很不要看。
There you go. And then comment 1, 2, 3, 4. Then where? Wow, it's nice. This one is good. Except Target non-lamp permanent. Wow, this is expensive. It's a lot of gold card. And then go. Let me see. Boom. 1,000 win. More. Okay. What is this? Foil. Foil common card. White. Yes. And then where? What is that? Oh, this is good. This is good. That's good. One, two. Oh, what is this? Oh, this card looks crazy. There's a lot of gold card in this set. Gold card is kind of like hard to play though.
Hard to play.
That means like
You're gonna waste a lot of.
yeah, a lot of land to get this. Okay, uncommon, and then where? Whoa, what is this? There you go. Now you got it. Wow. More gold card. Really. Okay. Oh, this is the legendary card. This is good. Damn. This is good. This is expensive. Darker gold.
他们看我这么无聊。
Boom, 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 boom. Wow. No lanyard? Shit. Whenever another permit enters the battlefield under your control, each opponent put the top of his card in it. Ooh, this is nice.
But it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's not nice. Oh, that's something.
Okay.
I don't know what that is. 1, 2. Oh,
Is there something?
oh, this is real cool. Okay. This may worth something. You see, it's real cool. Oh,
Maybe a go for something not too good.
look at the top 7 card of your level. Put 2 of the into your. Oh, this is nice. This is rare. Okay. Oh, nice picture.
Nothing?
Nothing.
$0.
No, the blue one is good. This is a big car. This is expensive. Okay. Oh, what is this?
Not what we want.
Okay, each car worth something. Oh, I see a foil car. Oh shit! Be careful, be careful. Oh. Oh no! More go car. Whenever you control have hate. Oh, what is this? Why so much like go car? Hard to use.
So no go-kart is no good?
I mean it's good, but I guess this has a lot of go car.
What?
I mean, which is okay.
No, it's not.
Yes,
You
okay.
didn't say, oh, it's good. So.
We need the this is good foil wear.
That's true.
Butcher of the horde. Oh. Counter target spell put 2. Okay, this is okay. I don't know. Do I know? Okay.
I'm sure, but how come we didn't even get anything yet?
There's a lot of go car.
This box is hard to pay off, y'all.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh, no lanyard. Okay, look at this card first. Not foil.
Cannot believe it, more than half is gone already.
No lanyard.
How is that possible? I'm telling you, like, they fucking pick out the one with the land. I had this one already.
Go, 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 go. Bam! More go car. Target opponent.
Maybe you should open it. You should open
No,
it.
no, no, go, go, go.
No. You open, you open. Magic.
Dragons. What is this? This is instant. But no. Oh, this is uncommon. Okay. Bam. Okay. Double shot. No.
Not even one. Can we refund this thing?
No, so we got a lot of stuff. Oh, I don't even know what we got us for. Oh, fuck! Ah. Almost.
But is this
Where's the
Yeah.
where? Right here. Go the where. Nice. But not the where we want.
But at least it's a land. 好吧
Okay. That word nothing.
What?
Yeah.
Don't tell me this fucking bullshit. What? Oh, I don't want to like open no more. I know.
1, 2, 3. Or remove X counter from.
Change the sucking land. What's going on here?
No. Not good.
It's too expensive, this part.
No, I mean,
Wow.
so the last 6 card has the best last 6 pack is that thing. We just. Oh, the lands are hard to get. Okay. So lots of card.
How about you open the last 6? Yeah?
Yeah, you open. Continue. Okay. Just copy shit.
No, really.
Oh, yes, you found one. Oh,
Really?
20 bucks right there. $22. Oh, fuck. Woodland food here. Oh, shit, finally. Good job.
I was like, no, that. Oh, shit.
Only one. Fucking shit.
I can do that to you all day. Okay, last 3 packs.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, got another one. Oh, fucking beep beep. Nice. there. This is the. You got the 2 good cards there. That's 45 bucks.
What's the other one? Can you put it in the front?
These 2. The last 6 pack is really good.
What about this one?
This one worth nothing.
Why? Okay. Last one.
Go ahead. Oh shit, but you got 3. I told you get 3.
So every box has 3.
That's usually the.
They get
You
it.
should get $60 back minimum. That's $60 right here. So the result.
Is
Let me see. Let me put all the comment in here. Let me go back. Good job, back. Oh,
thank
excuse me.
you.
So it's the last 6 pack. I know.
Yes, it is.
Listen. So other wares. So these are the 3 prime where I have wooded foothill, windswept height, and fluted strain. This is good. I remember this car. Oh, good job. And then let's see. This box is not bad. I think we got our money back for these. I know. Could you pull this one? The foilware. Alright. So, where's the epic card? This is the prime card. Woo!
That can be a.
And just 2 for land.